For a link to the PDF version of these instructions, check down below in the description. The Chateau Marmont design requires 20 to 32 2-foot boards bracketed with stacking brackets depending on your design choice. For a full list of parts required for each design option, as well as cubic soil required for each design option, check down below in the description. To connect your boards and brackets, take a bracket and slide one onto either end of your board until the snap lock hole is lined up. Once you have the hole lined up, take one of your snap lock plugs and lay it flat onto that opening. Then with the palm of your hand, apply firm pressure until you hear a click. Now flip the board around and repeat this step on the other side. If you're having trouble installing the snap lock plugs by hand, you can also use a hammer or mallet to install them. If you think that you've installed your bracket in the wrong orientation and you need to remove it and flip it around, you can do so using a flathead screwdriver. Take the flathead screwdriver and insert it into the opening on either side of the snap lock plug. Insert it and apply firm pressure into the snap lock plug and then twist up. Then flip it around again and repeat this step. Firm pressure into the nub and twist up. Now you can remove your bracket and flip it around. When connecting the boards and brackets for your design, make sure to connect the brackets on either end in alternating fashion. On this side we have a bracket sleeve that's in the down position, and on the other side have the bracket in the up position. For hard surface installation, you can use a hacksaw to cut off the part of the stake that inserts into the ground. Lay out 8 boards flat on the ground in the shape of your frame to get an idea of what the footprint of your garden will be. Connect the boards of the base level of your frame using stacking stakes inserted into the joints upside down. This will allow you to build out the base level frame while also being able to make adjustments to that shape by sliding the boards around the ground. Now take 2 of your boards and place them at these 2 cross sections to ensure that the top level of your design will fit properly. Make any adjustments that you need to ensure that these boards will fit. Now with the boards still lying on the second level of your design, flip over the 5 remaining stacking stakes and hammer those into the ground. Now remove the 2 cross boards and hammer those stacking stakes into the ground as well. For the second level, take 8 more boards and stack it on top of your existing frame in the same shape, and those boards will be secured using stacking stakes that will insert into the top of your ground level stakes. Depending on your design selection, you may have either a 2 or 3 level base and a 1 or 2 level top. In this instructional video, I'll be building a 3 level base with a 2 level top, the largest design. Just keep in mind that your design may not match mine exactly, and exclude any levels that aren't included in your selection. With the final level of your raised garden bed installed, the last step is to put on your finishing caps on top of each of the 8 joints, and then you're ready to fill it with soil and start planting. If you're having trouble with animals getting into your garden during the growing season, check down below in the description for a link to our 2-foot animal barrier, as well as our new terrace connector that will allow you to install that animal barrier even on a terrace design like this. If you have any questions on this instructional video, please email us at support@frameitall.com. If you have any questions on this instructional video, please email us at support@frameitall.com.
Frame it all.